Welcome to Filipino English Translation. Bahagi 1, Unit 5. Gumamit ng pagbati. Use a greeting. Let's start now. Simulan na natin. Morning greetings.
Magandang umaga sa'yo.
Good morning to you. Magandang umaga, kaibigan. Good morning, friend. Magandang umaga. Kumusta ka? Good morning. How are you? Magandang umaga. Kumain ka na ba? Good morning. Have you eaten? Magandang umaga po, Inay. Good morning, Mother. Afternoon greetings. Magandang hapon. Kumusta ang araw mo? Good afternoon. How's your day? Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon to all of you. Magandang hapon. May kailangan ka ba? Good afternoon. Do you need anything? Magandang hapon po, Ginoo. Good afternoon, sir. Magandang hapon. Handa ka na ba? Good afternoon. Are you ready? Evening greetings. Magandang gabi. Anong balita? Good evening. What's the news?
Magandang gabi po. Kumusta ang trabaho?
Good evening. How's work?
Magandang gabi. Gising ka pa ba? Good evening. Are you awake?
Magandang gabi. Salamat sa pagpunta. Good evening. Thank you for coming.
Magandang gabi. Kumusta ang pamilya mo?
Good evening. How is your family? General greetings.
Kumusta ka na?
How are you? Mabuhay, maligayang pagdating. Welcome. Kumusta po? Kumain na po ba kayo? How are you? Have you eaten? Salamat sa iyong pagdating. Thank you for coming. Paalam. Magkita ulit tayo. Goodbye. See you again. That's all. Thank you for watching.